Hey everyone, today I will show you how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your profile. From the menu, select Settings. Tap on Follow and invite friends to access the invitation options. You will see multiple ways to invite friends, including email, text message, WhatsApp, other platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Snapchat. Send invitations via text message. Select text message. A pre-composed message will appear. I'm on Instagram as your username. Install the app and follow my photos and videos. Send this message to your friends. Encourage action. The message includes a direct link to your Instagram profile, encouraging your friends to follow you. For non-Instagram users, this could also motivate them to join the platform. With these steps, you can quickly expand your follower count and build a thriving Instagram community. And that is everything you need to know about how to invite friends to follow you on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.